Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be playing Roblox meepcity. I was about to say jailbreak, but I was like, sloppy man. Okay, we're playing with Elite, SJ. Why are these two people offending me? It doesn't look that I'm the only one who has Robux here. You have Robux. You have Roblox. You like Roblox. You guys all play Roblox, and why are you offending me? Hi, what's up, Sally Elite? That's your YouTube name, but your name is Sally. Okay, hey Sally, my name is Gabriel, and yeah, yo. Okay, whoa. So invited in the party. Did he invited you? Let's get in the party, guys. I hope you like this song in the background, but maybe you can't hear it properly. Maybe you can't hear it. But the video, I have to look at the time because basically it's 15 minutes. Okay? Shall I, do you guys want to listen to this music, maybe? What kind of music is this? We can't hear the music here. But still, it's loud. Your friend Sally can to you. Hey, what's up? And sometime we're gonna be playing Drop It. And guys, know my new outfit. I have a lightning black dot. I think maybe she is, but I can say hi to her. I am doing a YouTube video. And while I'm typing in hashtag, no, not hashtag, capital letters. Oh my god, what did Elite just did there? Show me how you did the Elite. Go down 7. 7, okay. 7. Yeah, down 7. What? Okay. What kind of music is this? What kind of music is this? I don't know which music. Let's just dance. Yeah, guys, we're gonna dance. Oh my god, we're doing the same trick. Guys. Hey. Okay, guys, came down. Belief is coming on. That's the advert. Okay. Believer, hey, believer, hey, you can never be a believer. I love this song, guys. That's why I song. The camera is shaky because I'm dancing like. I'm shaking, actually shaking the camera a little bit. Don't feel like it's shaking this time because I just made it. Let me dance. This video is gonna last till, let me check, 6. Yeah, it's gonna end soon. Just when this every video I do, it lasts for 15 minutes, but I have to check on the time before I do say bye to you guys. Lol. What shall I do? Guys, I'm just gonna explore the house. Why should I be dancing? Yeah. But you can't do it in real life. But sometimes, when people do things, if you cry, and sometimes I can get angry. Oh yeah, Roblox in high school, I'm gonna be doing a video maybe tomorrow. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna do a video tomorrow. Okay, let me go. Oh, Haley, what are you doing here? She has a laptop. She has monitor. I'm gonna buy a monitor. She like, who are these people? Get eaten. She likes that game. No. I don't like that game. I don't like the game. I don't like the game. I don't like the game, man. Okay, guys. This is why I don't like the game. It's boring. I did not say that you're gay. That you're gay. This is not okay because I'm too young. What? I can't believe you can drag gay. Yeah, but still gay people. She has a classroom, wow. Stop. A body, a werewolf. Sal, what did you say to her?
I said nothing.
So why is she speaking to you?
I don't know. I'm gonna adjust it.
I think she is just so crazy that she's. Oh, it's her. Silly. Why are you sleeping? You be offended to someone while you're sleeping now. Okay? Let's dance. I like this music. Yeah, let's dance. That's not dance. Man, I'm gonna sleep. I'm tired. I'm sleeping. Sleeping, I suppose. Slapping, lol. I'm slapping. I'm sleeping. And I spell sleeping wrong and slapping wrong. Okay, I'll sleep on the couch though, or in the bedroom. In a bedroom.
Yeah, let's see the girly stuff.
Yeah, let's see the girly stuff. That's not a bedroom. I'm trying to find a bedroom. That's a kitchen. That kitchen is so small. Whoa. That kitchen's no bigger. Okay guys, I'll show you my kitchen. Maybe. No. Maybe. Him. And no one's here. I like this party. And I'm gonna leave this party.
No, I'm inside the bedroom.
Leave party. You sure want to leave the party? Yes, I want to leave the party. No, return to the program.
You left the party.
This game was made in 2016. That's what I remember. That I played this game in 2016. Let's go. That was a lag. That was kind of a lag, but I felt scared because I wanted you guys to see my kitchen, and I'm still loading. And Elite SJ is gonna join me. No, Elite, yeah, Elite SJ. S2 Elites. Elite AJ and Elite SJ. That's a YouTube name, but the other one does Minecraft videos, like, yeah. Elite AJ. But I play Roblox. We both play he still plays Roblox, but he also do videos because he has his own laptop. He has a phone. Okay, look, this is my kitchen, guys, and you guys want to see what happens in here, but is building, so I can show you guys because that's my secret way. Okay, and you know about iBlaze thingy, iBlaze Sangawa. He's so rubbish, and my videos are better than his. And he is so crazy. Okay, guys, this is my place, but
And I'm not to lie, yeah.
no one's allowed to stay there. And also, my bedroom is looking hot, baby. Hot. No, I'm just not hot, but hot. Hot. It's looking hot, not hot. Hot. Yeah. What I'm trying to say, hot, not like burning hot, but hot. Guys, this guy is black, and I forgot to put inside. No, last time I stayed in the bedroom. Never mind, I can put it later on. But let me show you the rest of my place. My bedroom, everything. It's still, but that place is still working. On my studio, I never put the things that I bought. Or maybe that, yeah, I never put the things that I bought.
Oh, you go.
I have this. Well, when the camera flash. Elite, do you want to say something?
Yes.
Okay, say something.
You guys, since you knew that, yeah, that you plays Roblox, and I'm Steven said, oh, I'm gonna make you. So,
Guys,
and also Illblaze video is too, and also Illblaze video is too short. He's a baby, yeah.
Let me show you.
Well, it's not really like a baby.
Look, this is my thingy. This is my bedroom. My bedroom actually looks nice. This is my living room. This is my kitchen. Have you guys saw already? It's pumpkin. Started for Halloween. I don't even know when Halloween ends because I don't celebrate Halloween. But see, pumpkin everywhere. My graveyard. This is when I joined Roblox, guys. 2014 to 2018. That's when I joined Roblox. I'm happy that I played Roblox because of my brother. Elite SJ, which is all the time with Lil Manager. If you know about Lil Manager, but I don't think you guys know him because his account got terminated. And recently, for some reason, my house looks so small at the outside, but the inside looks big. It's confusing. Like, so this house is just so crazy. So guys, you see these small houses right here? Like if you see a house here which is small at the outside, it has to be big inside the inside. But if it's big in the outside, it's small in the inside, guys. Okay? So yeah, that guys, just learn it. 2 more minutes. Let me start my TV. Okay. Let me go to sleep, cause I need to go sleep. Yeah, let's go sleep. Sleep. Do not sleep. I'm gonna send you meat. God, to send you meat. Sleep. Send me home. Meat. Doesn't meat pass the Halloween mask thingy? I'm sleeping, guys. Till. And bye, guys. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe. And peace out. And iBlaze, subscribe to me because I'm gonna subscribe to you soon. But just do more videos before I subscribe to you. Okay, and guys,
Don't forget
bye.
my
first vid. I hope you guys liked it. But if I speak too much, comment down below if you want me to stop speaking. I speak too much. But even though I speak too much, yeah. Oh, so a party. Let me do my last dance. It's my last dance, guys. My last dance.
If it's not a lot of people, I'm gonna
last dance. Let me do my last dance. It's gonna end like 4 seconds. Don't.